What's up everybody, welcome to another honest comparison video. Today I have this Xiaomi Watch S2 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Actually I have used the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 for almost 3 months after Samsung has released the Galaxy Watch 5, but once Xiaomi has released this Xiaomi Watch S2, I have been using this one. The truth is none of these two is my daily drive. I actually wear a Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro as my daily drive, but I haven't included that smartwatch in this comparison video because that one belongs to another category. If I have to do a comparison of Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro, then I have to compare that one with Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which actually belongs to another level. A lot of my subscribers and regular viewers have requested me to do a smartwatch comparison video, which smartwatches actually costs less than $200 but belongs to premium category, and that's why I have selected Xiaomi Watch S2 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing and let's go through the review process. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, there is another thing I wanna mention, I wanna show before I start the video. I love smartwatches. In these two boxes, I have 40 different smartwatches, and not only that, I have a lot of smartwatch bands. I have some bands which cost more than $100. Only 5 of these smartwatch bands actually costed me like more than $500. So yeah, I have a thing for smartwatches and smartwatch bands. And that means actually I use and I know which smartwatch actually offers better performance, which one actually offers better value for money. Well, on the left side it's Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and on the right it's Xiaomi Watch S2. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is the smartwatches. Both of these two smartwatches comes in a very nice packaging and also comes with a very nice charging pack. Inside the box there are also some paperwork, but I'm not gonna go through that. In terms of build quality of these charging packs, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 will get 10 out of 10, while Xiaomi Watch S2 will get 8 out of 10, and Xiaomi Watch S2 still uses a pogo pin based charging pack, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 uses a magnetic charging pack. Yeah, it's truly wireless, there is no connection required, but you can see Xiaomi Watch S2 will actually get connected to this charging pack, so definitely Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is ahead of Xiaomi Watch S2 in terms of charging and convenience. Well, in terms of price, Xiaomi Watch S2 actually costs less than $200. In Chinese market, this one costs 1,199 RMB, which is almost equivalent to $179, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is actually now available within $179. So in terms of price, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is a bit cheaper than Xiaomi Watch S2 if we consider the price of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 in global market and the price of Xiaomi Watch S2 in Chinese market. But actually that's not gonna happen, because when Xiaomi Watch S2 will get released in global market, the price will actually get a bit higher, so there will be a visible and bigger price difference between these two. Now the question is whether Xiaomi Watch S2 is actually that much better to carry a higher price tag. If we consider build quality and materials, then definitely Xiaomi Watch S2 is a bit better, because Xiaomi Watch S2 comes with a stainless steel frame, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 comes with an aluminum frame. Both of these two smartwatches display panels are protected with sapphire crystal, so yeah, it's almost the same. And display resolution of Xiaomi Watch S2 is really better than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, because this one comes with a 466 by 466 resolution and 353 ppi, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 comes with a 450 by 450 resolution and 321 ppi. So yeah, in terms of color calibration, color reproduction and brightness, I would give Xiaomi Watch S2 9 out of 10, while I would give Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 8 out of 10. There is one thing I must mention, that even if Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 comes with aluminum frame, this one actually comes with IP68 and military standard 810H rating. So this one is much more durable and offers much more protection against water and dust than Xiaomi Watch S2. Both of these two smartwatches comes with NFC and supports Bluetooth 5.2, supports more than 100 sports modes. There is blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, sleep time monitoring and always on display. But the problem is I have never managed to use the always on display on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 correctly, while Xiaomi Watch S2 actually comes with a proper always on display, and this Xiaomi Watch S2 actually drains only a little battery while always on display is enabled. while talking about the display panels, we need to talk about the watch faces. Actually, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 comes with more watch faces. There are more watch faces available. And yeah, even if Xiaomi these days is trying to add more new watch faces for this Xiaomi Watch S2, the availability of watch faces for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is way more than Xiaomi Watch S2. But there is one thing that I like about this Xiaomi Watch S2 and all of its watch faces. Xiaomi has actually added different type of always-on display for different type of watch faces. So it's never gonna be boring and monotonous like many other smartwatches. Talking about the watch faces, we need to talk about the application. Yeah, both of these two smartwatches actually requires an application to get connected to a smartphone. And the problem with this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is this one actually offers the best performance and is fully functional with a Samsung Galaxy series smartphone, while this Xiaomi Watch S2 can be used with any different smartphones regardless whether it's from Xiaomi, Vivo or Oppo, and this one offers the best performance with almost all the smartphones available on the market. Yeah, Xiaomi Watch S2 actually requires an application that is Mi Fit to get connected to a smartphone, while Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 requires two different applications. One is Galaxy Wearable and another is Google Wear OS. I don't know why this one also requires Google Wear OS, because this one doesn't run on Google Wear OS. But if I delete this Google Wear OS from my smartphone, then this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 won't work at all. In terms of application, I prefer Mi Fit because this one is a very good application which integrates both the health data and the wearable devices. While it's a split on Samsung, you need to have both the Galaxy Wearable and Samsung Health for all the data. Now, here comes the most important part, the data. We buy a smartwatch not only for fashion, not only to check the time, but also to monitor health data, our workouts. And after wearing both of these two smartwatches for more than 2 months each, I can say without any hesitation, Xiaomi Watch S2 actually offers better sleep time monitoring. Trust me, you have to experience it by yourself. Xiaomi Watch S2 actually offers almost 100% accurate data, while Samsung Galaxy S5 is good enough. Yeah, this one also offers a very good data, very accurate data, but sometimes this one is not as accurate as Xiaomi Watch S2. I really like this Xiaomi Watch S2 because this one offers better, faster and much more accurate blood oxygen data. Check this, look at this. It's really very difficult to get blood oxygen data on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. You need to do a lot of things, you need to follow a lot of things, and sometimes the data is not even accurate. But Xiaomi Watch S2, this one keeps providing me with the correct and accurate blood oxygen data. I have to try one more time and I think it will fail again. Let's check. Failed. Couldn't measure. Kudos to Xiaomi for having this health data thing correct on this Xiaomi Watch S2. Okay, after blood oxygen monitoring, let's talk about sleep time data. I have already mentioned earlier that sleep time data of Xiaomi Watch S2 is much more accurate and it's almost perfect. I must say it loud. After Apple Watch Series 8 and Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro, this Xiaomi Watch S2 offers the most accurate sleep time data. Now here comes the third thing which actually all the companies tout about, that is heart rate monitoring. Heart rate monitoring of both of these two smartwatches is actually very good. Both of these two are flagship class smartwatches and heart rate monitoring is pretty similar, but yet again I have to mention this after comparing heart rate monitoring data of both of these two smartwatches with some medical equipments. Yeah, Xiaomi Watch S2 offers better and much more accurate heart rate data. A lot of people would say there is an advantage of having this Samsung Galaxy Watch S5 because this one comes with blood pressure monitoring. Yeah, I have tried that, but well, it depends on you because these smartwatches are no way comparable to any medical equipments and cannot be used as medical equipments. So yeah, if you want to have that blood pressure monitoring, then you can go for this one, as Xiaomi Watch S2 doesn't have that option. And yeah, there is one more thing that Xiaomi Watch S2 comes with, that is temperature monitoring, which I think is a bit of a gimmick, and nowadays even almost all the other budget smartwatches comes with that option. So let's not talk about that. Well, as these smartwatches are from different brands and runs on different OS, like Xiaomi Watch S2 runs on MIUI Watch OS and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 runs on Samsung's One UI. So it's a bit different, but there is one thing that I really like about. Look at this, we can actually have tiles on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, and it's even better on Xiaomi Watch S2 because we can actually customize our widgets, what we cannot do on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I can make a widget based on my requirements, like what type of data I want inside the widget, what should be the size of the widgets, what type of layout I require on the widget, and everything I can select. Like here I'm gonna select weather. There are hundreds of different type of options and data that I can select. So yeah, it's much more convenient and much more colorful. Check this, I have just made my own widget, which is impossible on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, but we can still select our tiles depending on our requirements. Well, actually with Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, we can control any Samsung Galaxy earbuds, and that's really pretty convenient because we can either enable or disable noise controls and touch controls from the smartwatch, which is actually impossible on Xiaomi Smartwatch S2. Even if we have the most expensive Xiaomi earbuds, we cannot control the earbuds from this smartwatch. But we can control music from both these smartwatches, and yeah, both works fine, but I prefer Xiaomi Smartwatch S2 because music controls on Xiaomi Smartwatch S2 is a bit easier than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Both the Galaxy Watch S5 and Xiaomi Watch S2 comes with two buttons on the right side, but there is a big difference between these two smartwatches. We can actually remap the buttons of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, which we cannot do on the Xiaomi Watch S2. Samsung Galaxy S5 and Xiaomi Watch S2 both comes with two microphones, but the microphone placement of these two smartwatches are different. The primary microphone of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is on the right side between the buttons, and there is another microphone on top, while Xiaomi has decided to put both the microphones on the right side. In terms of speaker quality, Xiaomi Watch S2 actually comes with a better and bigger speaker, which offers better performance, louder sound quality. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 also comes with a very good speaker, but that doesn't perform as good as Xiaomi Watch S2. We can also make phone calls and receive phone calls on these smartwatches. Again, I would prefer Xiaomi Watch S2 because Xiaomi Watch S2 always have better connectivity, and speaker performance is also better than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Hello, Polly, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I would say even the microphone performance of Xiaomi Watch S2 is better than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 because Xiaomi actually adds a better noise cancellation, better voice isolation while I'm on a call, and that makes communication a bit easy. As both of these two smartwatches supports 22mm watch bands, we can change and replace the watch bands anytime that we need, any color, any design. But due to its design, it's a bit difficult to use any type of 20mm watch band with Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. We actually need to follow a design, or the outlook and appearance of the watch gets a bit dull and the comfort level also gets decreased. So in terms of convenience, definitely Xiaomi Watch S2 offers more convenience, and even a leather watch band of a Xiaomi Watch S2 is much cheaper than a silicone watch band of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I'm not talking about third-party watch bands, I'm talking about Samsung and Xiaomi's own watch bands. Well, let's talk about charging speed and battery life. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 actually gets fully charged faster than Xiaomi Watch S2, but Xiaomi Watch S2 offers two times battery life over Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I can only use Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 for 27 to 28 hours after a full recharge, while Xiaomi Watch S2 offers almost 3 days of battery life after a full recharge. I'm talking about the same usage pattern with the same display brightness and typical usage. So definitely Xiaomi Watch S2 offers a longer battery life, but Xiaomi Watch S2 takes 5 to 10 minutes more than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 to get fully recharged. Well, both of these two smartwatches supports more than 90 activities, and both of these two smartwatches offers a very accurate and a lot of information about all type of sports. But I prefer Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 when it comes to sports and activities because GPS performance of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is much better, and this one picks up every bit of information while doing activities. And yes, I have to mention this, that when it comes to activities, especially outdoor activities, Xiaomi Watch S2 falls behind. Well, that's all about these two smartwatches, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Xiaomi Watch S2. If you need almost perfect, the most accurate health data, then you should go with this Xiaomi Watch S2. But if you're gonna buy a smartwatch to keep track of your outdoor activities and sports, then you should go with this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Yeah, you can see that I'm not wearing any of these two because my daily drive is Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro. I believe this one is the best Pro smartwatch available on the market right now. If you want me to do a dedicated review video of this smartwatch, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, there are a lot of people who are buying this Amazfit GTR 4, which actually doesn't offer any value for money, and health data is super awful on this smartwatch. So I would say don't go for this one, rather go for any of these two based on your preferences. My personal recommendation would be Xiaomi Watch S2 because this one offers better battery life, comes with a better display panel. This one actually comes with better build quality, and this one is much more rugged than Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Also, the most important part of this smartwatch is this one offers almost accurate, almost perfect health data. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you want to watch more videos like this, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.